Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Sometimes we bite more than we can chew. We want to take responsibility for everything and everyone. But the big question is, we forget to always ask ourselves this question: is it really worth it after all? No matter what you do for people, it will never be enough. The simple fact is, they will still complain and complain and complain in the long run. The expression carry for head in Nigerian Pidgin English means to take up too much responsibility for something or someone and to become obsessed with something or someone. For example, see how he carry politics for head. He carry him family matter for head, but dem no send am. I no dey carry anything for head. You better no carry anything or anybody matter for head. E no water. That's it, viewers, on Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. See you in my next video. Bye for now.